Hey lawyers, so you filmed your videos, but what's next? You don't know how to edit them. Well, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to quickly edit your videos. Hi, my name is Christian Cruz and I am the head videographer and editor for Social Firestarter. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to quickly edit your videos once you've filmed them, especially if you've used the one line at a time method that I spoke about in a previous video. So I have a quick video that I shot about how to make coffee using a percolator, and I'm just gonna use that to demonstrate how to quickly edit your video. So let's hop into that. Alright, so the first thing I've done here is I've opened up Premiere Pro, which is the editing software that I like to use. It's just my personal preference. If you'd like to use Final Cut Pro or any of the other comparable video editing softwares, feel free to do so, but this is my software of choice. So the first thing I want to do is I want to import the file that I need into the program. So I'm going to double click on the bottom left hand side here, and that's going to open up the File Explorer. We're going to go into wherever the file is located, and I'm going to import that file. So once that file is imported, I'm going to drag and drop it into the timeline. Now the timeline is this entire thing that you see here, and is where we're going to see our audio and our video. And most of the edits are going to happen in this section here. So if you notice, I dragged this down so I can see the audio waves a little bit bigger. And I'm also going to drag this slider down so I can see it closer. And the first two takes here, I know I messed up. And I know because there's a pause, or there's no audio here, there's no audio here, there's no audio here. And the real beginning of the video starts right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the shortcut C to bring up my cut tool. And the cut tool looks like a razor blade, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut right before the section starts. Now I have a shortcut set up to the key F to delete this and bring all of this stuff back, and that's called a ripple delete. So I'm going to click F, and it's deleted the previous section, and it brought the section that I do want all the way back. So if you saw my previous videos of using the one line at a time method, you know that if you say one line into the camera, or if you're reading off of a script, you say one line, you pause, you look down, make sure you know your next line, you know that there's going to be a pause in your video. And that the way that we edit that is we look at the waveform here and know that there is no audio here. So that's the easiest and quickest way to cut these videos together. So that's exactly what I'm going to do. I'm going to look for any space where there's no audio, and I'm going to cut at the very end of the previous section and at the beginning of the next. And then I will highlight that section, press F so that I can delete and bring the next section over. So if I press F, it deletes that section, the good section comes over, bam, we're done there. We're going to keep looking for other places where there is a lapse in audio. So let's see right here. I'm explaining how to do that. Minutes. So, oops, press the wrong thing there. So let's go back to that section. So we know that right here, I want to cut. So I'm going to cut here because there's silence right here. I'm going to cut here, and I'm going to ripple delete that. Okay. So again, I'm going to look for here. I think this was a mess up here. If you don't know that it's yep, that was a mess up. So I want to cut right here, ripple delete, look for another silence right here to right here. Ripple delete, cut off the end, and bam, my video is done. This is the easiest and quickest way to edit a video. Of course, you want to double check to make sure that you've cut the right sections or that you haven't left anything out. But once you know how to look for those waveforms and when to look for the pauses and how to cut those things together, it becomes much simpler overall. And this is the method that you want to use to film and edit your videos. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. As always, if you have any questions about filming your videos or about your marketing, please feel free to reach out to our team. We are always more than happy to help you with whatever we can. Until the next video.